If you're getting the Steam tools, no internet connection, error while downloading or installing a game, this updated fix may help. First, open Windows Security and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then temporarily turn off real-time protection. Next, click the Start menu, type PowerShell, and choose Run as Administrator. Now copy the command from the pinned comment and paste it into PowerShell. Press Enter and wait for the process to finish. It may take a few moments because Steam Tools needs to download and install some required files. Once the command is completed, restart Steam and launch Steam Tools again. In most cases, the no internet connection error should now be fixed. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. Thank you for watching.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive.